In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow and a workflow scheme in Jira. If you're new to Jira or just looking to improve how you organize projects, knowing how to set up workflows is an essential skill. We'll start by diving into creating a workflow and then move on to setting up a workflow scheme, ensuring your projects are as efficient as possible. Let's kick things off by heading over to your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner and click on Settings. From there, go down to Issues and then select Workflows. This is where we begin creating a new workflow that will outline the sequence of steps your issue types will follow through their life cycle. Now, you'll want to click on Create Workflow. This is a critical step as it opens up an opportunity for you to tailor your project flow to suit team needs. Name your workflow something descriptive and meaningful. This is where you can also add a description to provide more context. A clear name and description are not just formalities. They help everyone understand what the workflow is intended for, making team collaboration easier and more aligned. Once you've entered the name and description, simply click on Create. Congratulations, you've just made your workflow. Remember, it's always helpful to keep communicating with your team on what these steps represent so everyone is on the same page. Now let's move on to creating a workflow scheme. This step is crucial as schemes link workflows to one or more projects. Just like we did before, go back to Settings, then Issues, and this time select Workflow Schemes. Here, click on Add Workflow Scheme. This option allows you to compile workflows that map out the processes specific to different projects or teams. Just like creating a workflow, you'll now need to give your scheme a name and description. Make it as clear and detailed as possible. A descriptive name helps in identifying the scheme's purpose and ensures the right processes are applied to the right projects. After naming and describing your scheme, click Add to finalize the setup. And there you have it, you've successfully linked multiple workflows under a cohesive scheme that can easily be applied to your projects. As you continue to explore Jira, remember these foundational setups are pivotal for project management and team collaboration. With workflows and schemes effectively organized, you're setting your team up for success. Be sure to periodically review these settings as project needs evolve. Thank you for joining me today on this journey to mastering workflows in Jira. Stay tuned for more tutorials that guide you through maximizing your tools for better productivity.